Hi, I'm Joshua Barwin. I teach digital social media at Cedar Grove High School. Students are able to take the course through Penn College. So the professor at Penn College gives us all the course materials, so it's fully college level rigor that these students are taking. So they analyze social media tools, a local business that they're trying to increase kind of customer attendance at the business. Pinterest, we use Instagram, we use X, just to name a few, and then we use Canva as well. Students are able to create material for businesses on those apps. So they're able to work with a business, kind of ads for those businesses on that social media platform, which is really cool because then they get to look at, hey, this is what businesses are using out there right now, and this is what I need to create for this business here that might help that business succeed or improve overall. And we try to connect with as many local businesses as we can in Lemoyne, in Harrisburg area, and elsewhere where Penn College is actually located. We've reached a couple businesses out there in Williamsport as well in Pennsylvania. Parents, it's huge for you guys to come out to scheduling night because you get to talk one-on-one with the teachers in those departments about the courses that they offer, no matter if you're a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior, because as a senior, you could find out about these college classes, get your student into those classes that can help them earn college credit, which is great. And then if you're a freshman, you get to see all the different types of courses that we offer, not just in the business department, but all the other courses, departments that we have here at Cedar Cliff. And I would encourage you to bring your student, because then the student can tell you, hey, I'm interested in this class or this department. I want to find out more about those classes, and you can meet with those teachers to find out that information. Having them kind of work through that college rigor in our class is very important, and I really like to see them because at first they're kind of intimidated with the amount of college rigor that is required in that course. And then by the end of the course, which we're in right now, I'm seeing their confidence build, which is really cool because then they can say, I've taken a college class, I can do this, I can go to the next level and succeed. Please come out to course selection night. I'm looking forward to seeing the parents, talking with the parents, and hopefully you bring your son or daughter to talk with us as well.